Nothing to play with. Oh, no. 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 No! Are you serious? There's nothing to play! Ooh, the DS games. No! Are you serious? And are you sick and tired of these stupid remotes that these other TV ads try to sell you? This is not fun. Not fun! Well, then you're just right to try our new TV remote. Dun dun dun. Only available nowhere. Let's check out how this thing works. The new remote. It has an on switch. It has many other cool features. And it has buttons. I like buttons. And it also takes out my anger. Watch this. You see that? And it also makes a good massage. And it's also good watching television. What happened to the TV? This stupid thing broke it. Get the new thing now. Not available anywhere, but you can find it in my pants, I think. How do you turn this camera off?